どうも皆さん、一日一問英語で数学瀬戸です。今日はこの積分をしたいと思います。今日使う英単語はこちらです。So first, let's review what arctangent is. Sometimes the notation is tan with a negative 1 here, but it's not equal to tangent of x to the negative 1, which is the reciprocal of tangent, which would be cotangent. But here we have the inverse tangent. So this definition is arctangent of x is equal to y if and only if x is equal to tangent of y. Now to integrate this, I'll do it in two ways. The first way, we'll use integration by parts, which is this formula. Here we'll let u equal to the entire function. So u will be arctangent, dv is dx. The derivative of arctangent is 1 over 1 plus x squared dx. And the antiderivative of 1 is x. So plugging into this formula, we'll obtain this expression. Now the remaining integral is a pretty straightforward integral, which we can solve using substitution. So that if we let these be the substitution variables, we'll have 1/2 of integral dt divided by t, which is negative 1/2 natural log of t, and so we'll substitute this back in so that we get the antiderivative of arctangent is x times arctangent x minus 1/2 natural log of 1 plus x squared, plus a constant. Now let's do it another way. What we can do is do a trig substitution, letting x equal to tangent theta, so that dx will be secant squared theta d theta. So if we plug this into here, we'll have this integral, which we can integrate by parts, so that u equals theta, dv equals secant squared d theta, so that du equals d theta, and v equals tangent theta. So plugging this in, we have this integration, but the antiderivative of tangent theta is simply minus natural log secant theta plus c. Now we need to convert everything back into x. So if x equals tangent theta, then arctangent x equals theta, and x squared plus 1, which is tan squared plus 1, equals secant squared theta. So secant is square root of this. So plugging this in, we have x arctan x minus natural log of x squared plus 1 to the 1/2. But using the properties of logarithm, we can move the 1/2 down to here, and we get the same exact antiderivative. Thank you very much for watching, and please subscribe to our channel.